Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to the Daily Byte. Let's get into today's top tech stories. Stripe's new protocol lets AI agents pay each other. Stripe just launched something called the Machine Payments Protocol, and it's honestly pretty wild. This lets AI agents make payments on behalf of users without any human intervention. We're not talking about chatbots that answer questions. We're talking about autonomous agents that can handle entire financial transactions from start to finish. The big shift here is enabling AI to AI transactions, where one agent can pay another agent directly. Think about the possibilities. Your AI assistant booking a service and automatically paying another company's AI system, all while you're asleep. This opens up a whole new category of automated commerce that simply wasn't possible before. Cocoon Carbon just raised $15 million in Series A funding to scale up their sustainable cement alternative. Now, I know cement doesn't sound exciting, but hear me out. Cement production is responsible for about 8% of global CO2 emissions. That's huge. What makes Cocoon's approach different is they claim to unlock new supplies of cement substitutes faster and more capital efficiently than competitors. This matters because we're not going to stop building things, so we need alternatives that actually work at scale. The construction industry has been one of the toughest sectors to decarbonize, and efficient solutions like this could finally move the needle on reducing those emissions. MiniMax drops M2.7 model for AI agents. MiniMax just launched their M2.7 large language model, and it's now fully available on both the MiniMax agent platform and their API platform. This model is specifically designed for building complex AI agents, with what they're calling industry-leading coding and reasoning abilities. So what does that mean for developers? Well, you can now build more sophisticated AI agents that can handle complicated logical tasks and write better code. The enhanced capabilities are focused on the kind of reasoning that makes AI agents actually useful in real-world applications, not just chatbots that sound smart but can't get things done. It's another player entering the increasingly crowded AI model space, and competition like this tends to push everyone forward. Amazon versus USPS. Shipping deal falls apart. There's some drama brewing between Amazon and the US Postal Service. Amazon says they were in negotiations to increase shipping volumes with USPS, but the Postal Service just walked away from the deal in December. Amazon's characterizing this as an 11th hour withdrawal, meaning they thought they were close to an agreement. According to Amazon, they wanted to expand the partnership, not reduce it, which makes USPS's decision even more puzzling. This could have real implications. Shipping costs might go up for Amazon, delivery times could be affected, and USPS is potentially walking away from revenue they definitely need. Neither side is giving many details about what went wrong, but when two logistics giants can't make a deal work, customers usually feel it eventually. Visa's credit card built for AI bots. Okay, this one's wild. Visa just launched something called Visa Intelligent Commerce, and it's basically opening up their entire payment network to AI agents. We're talking about AI bots that can autonomously find and purchase things on your behalf: clothes, groceries, airline tickets, whatever you need. They showcased this at the Visa Global Product Drop, and it represents a pretty fundamental shift in how commerce might work. Instead of you browsing and clicking buy, your AI agent just handles it. This could massively increase transaction volumes for Visa, but it also raises some serious questions. Who's responsible if your AI agent goes rogue and buys 50 pairs of shoes? How do you ensure security when artificial intelligence is making financial decisions? It's innovative for sure, but we're entering some seriously uncharted territory here. 81,000 people reveal what they want from AI. A massive survey just dropped with responses from 81,000 people about what they actually want from artificial intelligence. The results are honestly pretty heartwarming. Healthcare came out on top as the area where people want AI to make the biggest difference, specifically early cancer detection and accelerating drug development. But here's the interesting part. The quality people want most in AI systems is patience. Not speed, not intelligence, patience. People want AI that can help them learn without judgment and provide emotional support during tough moments like grief at any hour of the day. This survey is a reminder that while tech companies are racing to build the smartest AI, people are asking for the most compassionate AI. It's a different kind of intelligence, and maybe the one that matters most. Now, here's two exciting stories from Nvidia. Jensen Huang just dropped some pretty staggering numbers. Nvidia's CEO is now projecting that the company will hit $1 trillion in sales from just their Blackwell and Rubin chip lines by the end of 2027. That's not total revenue, that's just two product lines. This is a significant bump up from their earlier guidance, and it shows just how confident Nvidia is about the AI infrastructure boom. We're talking about a level of demand that's honestly hard to wrap your head around. Every tech company, every cloud provider, every AI startup, they're all racing to build out their computing power, and Nvidia is sitting right at the center of that gold rush. This projection really cements their dominant position in the AI chip market and signals that we're still in the early innings of this computing transformation. Nvidia's 88-core CPU takes aim at Intel and AMD. Nvidia just unveiled their Vera CPU, and it's clear they're coming for Intel and AMD's lunch money. This thing packs 88 cores, and Nvidia claims it delivers twice the efficiency and 50% faster performance compared to traditional CPUs. That's a pretty aggressive entrance into a market that's been dominated by the same two players for decades. But here's where it gets interesting. Nvidia is already shipping first samples of their Vera Rubin AI GPU systems to customers, pairing these 88-core CPUs with Rubin GPUs that have 288 gigabytes of HBM4 memory each. By combining high-performance CPUs with their already dominant GPUs, Nvidia is positioning itself to control even more of the data center market. Intel and AMD have got to be sweating right now, because Nvidia isn't just dipping their toes in the CPU pool, they're doing a cannonball. Is this information helpful? Let me know in the comments. Tap like, hit subscribe, and share with a friend. It really helps the channel. See you in the next edition of the Daily Byte.
We'll be right back.